Nice to meet you. I'm Adam Haney. Today I'm going to walk you through the critical role that railroads play in global supply chains. For more than a century, railroads have been the most cost-effective way to move freight and remain at the forefront in an era of interconnected supply chains. Railroads revolutionized trade in goods by allowing large amounts to be cost-effectively shipped over long distances. Though much about steel wheels and rails remain the same, today's railroads have adopted advanced technologies, digital platforms, automation, and complete integration with trucks and ships. Railroads are also highly reliable, and they are less vulnerable to traffic jams and extreme weather, ensuring deliveries get through. Contemporary monitoring technologies, including GPS and real-time sensors, are now providing this visibility to logistics managers, enabling them to react immediately and prevent holdups with minimal impact to customer services. Railroads are an integral part of the supply chain because they provide an inexpensive, reliable, and fuel-efficient method for transporting a large amount of freight over great distances. Heavy or bulk items can be hauled in large quantities, and the fixed schedule allows for concrete planning. The rail is also sustainable since it offers greater fuel efficiency and lower emissions than roads. Furthermore, railways contribute directly to multi-access possibilities for ports and distribution centers and supply chain flexibility in general while relieving congestion on the road. These advantages allow the railroads to be included as a solution in efficient supply chain. One of the unique things about railroads is that they can be powered by several different kinds of power, for example, steam, diesel, and electricity. This flexibility has enabled trains to change as technology shifted and new sources of power became available, all the while employing familiar infrastructure such as tracks and rail cars. For instance, in some contemporary rails there are electrified lines which have overhead wires or even third rails such as can be seen in some of the most modern systems and allow for rapid and sustainable transport. What I've discovered is that in the supply chain, the railroads offer a cost-effective and efficient way to move large volumes of product over long distances. Railroads can also transport heavy and bulk cargo, like raw materials and finished goods, more cheaply than other forms of transportation like trucks or airplanes, and with less environmental harm. So in conclusion, railroads are essential to the modern economy. With their unparalleled efficiency, competitive cost, environmental advantages, and operational reliability, I hope we can appreciate railroad significance to supply chains through continued advancements and investments. Rail logistics will remain a catalyzing force for an economic success, climate ambitions, and supply chain robustness. With trade becoming increasingly global and sustainability more of a concern, the importance of the railroads will only increase.